Welcome to Beyond Repair. Today we have a 2013 Porsche Boxster 981 that I bought for cheap, and as always, if you buy something cheap you have to work on it. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your wiper blades and especially the sprayer. When I'm trying to spray some water on the windshield, it actually doesn't do it. So let me show you what happens when I'm trying to spray. Here you go. You see, all the water comes from this corner. So let me shut it off, pop the front, and let's get to work. And that pretty much answers the question, why is it not spraying? Because if you look, that's my line, and it's completely broken. It snapped. Now I need to open up the cover right here and see if it's actually fixable, or if I have to go and pay Porsche a lot of money. So in theory we should be able to connect those two lines with the hose and get it fixed, but this is just theory. Let's look. The line goes right here underneath and clips right there. Let's see if it's let's take a look how hard it's gonna be to replace that part, and maybe I'll place the order and try to temporarily fix it. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty hard to do it when you don't have access to the inside, so I might just try to fix it before I run and spend my money with Porsche. So we know the problem. Let's find out if I have a piece of rubber hose that I can utilize and somehow make it work. I just found a piece of hose that I was using for brake bleeder. It's actually sitting really nice because the plastic line has got those rings on it, so it sits really snug. Now I need to pull up the lower line as far as I can without breaking anything else, and I need to cut the line right here, try to merge it together. Let me grab my scissors. So if we make this line long, we're gonna have a problem because it's gonna be bent. What I want to do is to pretty much connect those two together inside of this hose. So what I will do, I will pretty much cut the same length, like right here, and try to get those two merged together nicely, which is gonna be a fight, but doable. So let's see. Okay, this is like 20 minutes later. I got really tiny line, so I had to really force it to get inside, and the only way I was able to do it is just to rotate this line at the same time, top and bottom, so it kind of slides on. Now it sits nice and snug. I'm just gonna place it behind, remove everything under the hood and try to close it, and let's see how it's gonna be and if it's actually gonna work. So we had that guy right here with the line on top. No, the line has to go here. Okay, come on, higher. Yep, like so. And let's see, how can I clip it? So it's gonna go like this and click in place. So you never see that I actually repaired it. And now all we have to do is just to test it. Place your bets. Will it pop right away or will it keep working forever? I think since it's really tight piece of rubber hose, it's gonna work forever. So let's test it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, fire! I don't want to get wet. Here you go. It actually works. Sweet! Now I'm gonna close the top. We'll try to spray it for a little bit so we know it's rock solid and it's not gonna go anywhere. But I think that's it for today. If you happen to have the same issues with the spray wiper blades, all you gotta do is just to find a really tight piece of rubber hose and you'll be able to fix it yourself. No need to pay Porsche for another part. Beautiful. Now I need to buy a new wiper blades. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. I'll see you in the next one.